Hey guys, DJ here, the ADU Pro at our project in Long Beach on Daisy Avenue. For you first time watchers, what we've done at this project is created two ADUs in previous two two four-car or two-car garages that were subterranean. So let me step back here. So this curb used to not be there. This used to be a driveway entrance that went subterranean down below. So we've had to pour new curbing. We created a retaining wall. So you can see it here. The retaining wall that we put up all the way around this ADU, and then we added this railing to code, and our two ADUs are right here. You can see right here what these are pump locations for our sewage, because you know poop doesn't run uphill. So there's going to be a sewage pump in here, and at that location over there is going to be a pump for the groundwater to feed those drains. So there'll be a pump in here that's going to pump the water up and out into the curb. And then on the secondary pump, right now George is cutting a hole through here. This long 3-inch pipe is going to go through here, and you can see our utility trench right here. So we have our power trench that goes all the way to the back. So this one's for our power. We're going to have our sewer line that goes all the way to the back. We have a water line that he's working on right now that's going to go all the way to the back. And we're going to have a gas line that goes all the way to the back. Just to give you guys reference, from the front of the building to the back of the building where all these utilities are going is 144 feet. So you can see all the dirt that we had to excavate to get this thing trenched, because it has to be 24 inches underground. A lot of work for a multi-tenant ADU. A lot of work for us to get this done for this client. But any questions about any processes of doing a multi-tenant ADU? So you investors that have multiple units is trying to create more revenue out of existing space, DM us at the link below or give us a call at 800-929-9812. Myself or one of our wonderful staff will be more than happy to answer any questions you guys have. Hey guys, thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. DJ, the ADU Pro, out.